Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm singing I'm in Love with Another Man by Jasmine Sullivan. If I could forget him, I would, please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Yeah, you treat me so much better than him. And if I was sane, there'd be no competition. But I'm in love with someone else, and I know it ain't right. Hey, hey, I'm in love with another man, and I'm so sorry. Hey, you should go and find someone else who can treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I was just damn your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I'm in love someone else. I'm so sorry, baby. Yeah. And I know it ain't right. No, 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 no. For what I did to you, baby. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't explain why it's him and not you. But at the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to. 'Cause he ain't no doctor, no. And we always seem to fight. He ain't got a perfect body, yeah. And sometimes he don't even treat me right. Oh, but we're not with him. But we're not with him, baby. We're not with him. Can't nobody else do me like him. Oh, and I'm so sorry, baby, that I had to do this to you. But I can't go on pretending now. 'Cause I love him. I love him. I'm in love with another man now. And I'm so sorry, baby, but I love someone else.